Hey guys, good to see you again. Video number two. Now, what I'm promised is to give you an insight into the superpowers of a Google document. All right, so I'll just share my screen with you again. And as you can see, the actual game sheet that we're using is just a Google Doc. It's just called a game sheet. Now, what I'm going to do is on Thursday, we're going to be sharing another copy of this, okay? And I'll put the link to that game sheet or Google Doc in the chat. Now, the good thing about a Google Doc is that it is shareable. And ideally, when we play the game, we've got maybe 3 to 5 players as an ideal number. And what that means is that this Google Doc is a shareable doc between those 3 to 5 players. So it's a small nucleus of people. And what's really interesting is that we get introduced to what's called T learning. And what that means is that you have players from different industries and different domains. So you can get insights and perspectives from different domains. Like my background is farming cattle, franchising, manufacturing, and adult education. So I can get different perspectives from those 4 different domains. So that's really important. But what this does, what this Google Doc is actually a communication channel. And when we start to fill up our divergent thinking phase, we may end up with 64 questions here. We have a wall of data or a wall of effective questions that you can synthesize and prioritize into what you are actually prioritizing to in terms of your potential outcomes. Okay, yeah, your question focus there. Okay, so what this does is that when you have the shareable doc, you can add to it and compound. It's like compounding interest. You can integrate audio, video, graphics, and text, and you're not limited by a Zoom call. You're not limited by an email inbox. You can add to the document at your leisure, at your convenience, in your specific time zone. And when you have something of interest, you can reconvene and play another game on a different focus, that you wish to focus on, or you swap around. And that small group nucleus of people, you can help each other to achieve the outcomes that you're wishing to achieve by utilizing the game. So guys, that's the superpower of a Google Doc. It's, pretty much like compounding interest. The value that you add to the document over the time, it could be a year, 18 months. Who knows how long, that nucleus or group of people would stay together and continue to help each other. So there you go, guys. There's the superpower of a Google Doc. And tomorrow, as promised, I'm going to show you, how some simple dice can actually change your subconscious programming. So that'll be a really interesting one. Catch you then. Bye.